Hello student, welcome back to the My Team, the India's first ever e-learning educational platform where each and every topic will be taught by the concept of what, why and how. So guys, in previous class, we already discussed about the values of trigonometric ratios at angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now, in this class, we are starting with some example based on the trigonometry ratios at given angle. So, here it is. Evaluate sine 30 degree, tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So guys, what is the value of sine 30 degree? Yes, it is 1 by 2. What is the value of tan 45 degree? It is 1. What is the value of cosec 60? It is 2 by root 3. Similarly, sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. And similarly, cot 45 degree is 1. So, now we put the values of these. We get 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 whole upon 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So, now in numerator as well as denominator, we are taking LCM. So we get in numerator as LCM 2 root 3 and here we get root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 and in denominator again we get LCM 2 root 3. Here we get 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will be cancelled out. We get root 3 plus 2 root 3 becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 and in denominator 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 plus 4. So guys, the value of the given expression sine 30 degree, tan 45 degree, sine 30 degree, cosec 60 degree upon sec 30 degree, cos 60 degree and cot 45 degree. So the finding value is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. Further manipulation can be done using rationalization. So here we use the concept of rationalization of denominator. In denominator, what is written? Yes, 3 root 3 plus 4. So the value which we use to multiply and divide is, yes, 3 root 3 minus 4. So here we multiply and divide by 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4. Because if we see the given expression in denominator, it is 3 root 3 plus 4. When it is multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 4, one identity form, that is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So we get here 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon a plus b into a minus b, a square, 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. So in numerator, use the identity of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, 3 root 3 whole square plus 4 square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 upon what is the value of denominator? It is 3 root 3 square becomes 27 minus 4 square 16. So at last we get 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16, that is 11. So we get ultimate 27 plus 16, that is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. And this is our final answer. So guys, first of all, we put the values of sine 30, cos 60, tan 45, cot 45, cosec 60 and sec 30 degree. After getting the value, we use rationalization of denominator. And we get our answer 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. So, it is the in simplest example of this chapter. Now, what is the second type of question asked in this concept? and it is here. Find the value of theta in each of the following. So guys, here the values of trigonometric ratios are given. We have to find the angle theta. So let us start with this example. First of all, in first part is given 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. So how can we solve it? So here we are going to start this question. So guys, in this question, 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. What will we get here? Here we'll get sine 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So, now, what is the value of sine 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2? So guys, here the value root 3 by 2, we get the value of sine theta where it is root 3 by 2. Check the table. Yes, you got the answer. That is root 3 by 2 can be written as sine of 60 degrees and sine of 2 theta. So, if sine 2 theta is equal to sine 60 degree, what is the value of angle 2 theta? Yes, 2 theta becomes 60 degree. So here we can write 2 theta is equal to 60 degree. So what is the value of theta? Theta becomes 60 degree upon 2, that is 30 degree. So we get the value of theta, that is 30 degree. So it is the simplest process. First of all, find the trigonometric ratios in LHS. Find the value in RHS. Now check the table and find the particular trigonometric ratios at given angle. So guys, here root 3 by 2. What is the value of root 3 by 2 in sine form? It is sine 60 degree. So let's start with the second example. In second example, root 3 tan 2 theta minus root 3 tan 2 theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So what will be the value of root 3 tan 2 theta? It becomes equal to 3 and tan 2 theta becomes 3 upon root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 and upon root 3. 1 root 3 will be cancelled out. We get tan 2 theta is equal to root 3. So what will be the next step? We check the table and get the value of tan angle, where tan angle is root 3. So guys, fastly, yes, it is tan 60 degree. So sin 2 theta is equal to tan 60 degree. 2 theta becomes 60 degree. Theta becomes 30 degree. So guys, in this question, both parts, part first, 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3, get the answer theta is equal to 30 degree, and the second part where root 3 tan 2 theta minus 3 is equal to 0, here also we get theta is equal to 30 degree. So